Honorable Chairman of the Jury, Shri Risal Singh Ji, respected Santosh Sivan Ji, my respected colleagues from the Ministry of INB on the dais. I see my esteemed colleague, Mr. Malhotra, the Law Secretary, who is present here. We are deeply honored, sir, that you have made it to this occasion. All our distinguished guests, our participants, respected awardees, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me apologize on behalf of our Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Mr. Arun Jaitley. Because of his preoccupations in the Parliament, he could not make it. In fact, till the last minute, we were still awaiting a confirmation, even if he could come for 5 or 10 minutes, so that he could witness this function and give away the awards. But I think he got heavily preoccupied in the parliamentary affairs, so that's why he could not make it. But he has indeed conveyed his best wishes to all the participants, all the awardees on this occasion. I can tell you that he has been personally monitoring the approach, methodology, and the design of this award function, and he has conveyed his best compliments to all the awardees. Honorable Minister of State for Information Broadcasting also got caught up with the same matter in the Parliament, and he has also conveyed his heartiest good wishes to all the participants. It's a matter of privilege and pride for the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to welcome you all to this 4th National Photography Awards. These awards are meant to pay salutations to the greatest and the best from this profession. The Ministry of INB and the Photo Division are catalysts, facilitators to create dynamic environment for all of you to draw the best from the creative skills. We are indeed the enablers and facilitators to this whole journey. You will be delighted to know that the Ministry of INB, along with the Photo Division, had organized a workshop on photography and videography only yesterday, and this was the first such occasion that we convened a workshop of this kind, where a large number of participants from different ministries, organizations, agencies, both from government and outside, participated. It also had a very good participation from the manufacturers of various companies who displayed the best technology in this field. The workshop had eminent resource personalities like Shri Rajesh Bedi, Shri Santosh Sivan, who is also present amongst us, Mr. Anil Risal Singh, who was there, and a technical aspect of the camera lenses, processes involved in picture capturing, and processes of images, editing, and finished products were all exhibited at this workshop. Participants in the one-day workshop of the unanimous view that more such workshops should be held in the regional centers across the country to highlight the new and emerging trends in the professional field of photography for upgrading the skills. I am happy to inform you that we have discussed this proposal with all our experts present here, and we propose to organize similar such workshops in the Northeast and J&K in the near future itself. The National Photo Awards assume special significance as this brings together the most talented and skillful men and women behind the lens and the screen in an assembly to display their artistic expression. As far as the awards are concerned, we have already stated the award money that has already been given to the awardees. The suggestions which have emanated from this jury and the committee and all the participants will definitely have them examined separately in-house and ensure that corrective measures are undertaken by the ministry in the near future. The jury committee for these awards is a team of renowned photo artists and eminent photographers, serving and former photojournalists who have proven their mettle and stand at the forefront in their respective fields. The Lifetime Achievement Award has been bestowed on a legendary photographer who has made extensive and excellent contribution in the fields of photography at the national and international level. Mr. Surendra Patel ji, we are deeply honored and obliged that you could make it to this award function, and our heartiest compliments to you. For the Professional Photographer of the Year, the theme of Hamara Bharat, Swachh Bharat had been chosen, and at the exhibition downstairs, we saw what a wonderful expression of Swachh Bharat and Sundar Bharat had been exhibited by all the photographers. For amateur photographers, we chose the theme of mother and child, which was selected keeping in mind the unique and beautiful bond that every mother has with her child, and to engage the talented professionals amongst us in capturing the essence of this beauty and magnificence. Once again, I state my heartiest congratulations to all the awardees and the participants and the distinguished gathering who have gathered here today. Thank you very much. Enjoy the evening. Jai Hind.